yung ano, 'di ba, that leads us to this question that almost everybody is asking in the chat box. What could possibly change your mind about running for a national position in 2025? Everybody wants you to run for a
Mhm.
national for senator po. Kasi nobody wants you, parang nasasayangan sila na mayor po. I mean, hindi po sinasabi na mayor lang because being mayor is such a huge job, but parang you're so effective po as senator kasi I don't know, it seems like yung national issues kasi you're so effective in getting things across na, and you know, I saw that interview where you said you felt like you were a fish out of water, but that's not really true, is it? You were number one most productive senator. You had 1,490 bills and resolutions filed, 98 bills passed into law. That's not a
Mhm.
fish out of water, is it? So, pwede po kayong bumalik if you wanted to. Ano po
Ah,
ba ang pwedeng mangyari para makumbinsi po kayong tumakbo sa 2025 as senator?
wow, no? Well, thank you po, no, for the trust and confidence in my capacity, no, to be a legislator. But I think ano na no,
We don't like
we're
the word "but" here, ano, Senator Trillanes. All these
okay.
people don't like that. Ayan o, ang
Okay.
daming Trillanes for
Well,
senator, Trillanes for senator, yun lahat sinasabi.
ganito po, no, hindi naman po tayo mawawala sa national sphere. Kita nyo, I'm busy going around Caloocan, pero here I am talking about national issues, helping in any way I can, you know, to elucidate complicated issues para maintindihan ng mga kababayan natin. Hindi naman po ako mawawala at itong kaibigan, alam nyo, ang kagandahan doon sa position ko, kaibigan ko from both sides of the aisle, no? Kaibigan ko si President Marcos, kaibigan ko rin itong mga pink, ano? So, kumbaga, I can even help them or be a bridge para mag trabaho, no, just to get things done much easier. And ito, I'm very active in making the Dutertes accountable for their action para hindi makabalik po sa pwesto yan. Yan po ang fear natin lahat na 2028 babalik at maaando lahat itong mga nangyayari ngayon na positive for the country. Now, yung sa question nyo, kung meron hong magbabago pa, um, sabi ko nga, yung I just walk the path that is in front of me. As of now, that path leads to Caloocan. If somewhere, just a few steps before Caloocan, mag-right turn yan to somewhere else, I'm going to walk that path as well. Ganun lang po
Naku,
siguro.
kidnapin ka namin, Senator Trillanes. We will take you to the Senate halls. Ganun pala ang gusto nyo, ha? Puwersahan pala.
Hindi naman po, hindi naman, no. Basta ano lang ho, it's still public service. Hindi po ako mawawala. I'll be here when I'm needed to say things. Itong sa ICC issue, hindi po natin bibitawan yan. So, ganun po. Yes.
But, you know, I think that gives us a little bit of hope na that there's this tiny bit, you know, a sliver of hope is better than no hope at all. We will be praying that something will happen to change your mind. Kasi so many people have asked me to ask you, is there anything that will change your mind? So, sliver of hope is better than nothing.